Ang sabi ni Marge 3065, stop being one-sided, ma'am. Try mo ding tingnan other side why VP Sara behaved that way. By the way, Marge, huwag mo kalimutan, ang Sara Duterte ay walang H. Kasi kung Sara na may H, maaring Sara Labati o maaaring Sara Hieronimo. Ginugusto mo sila, 'di ba? Pero dapat tama ang pangalan. Okay? Watch and think before you post something. God bless. Anyway, Marge, God bless you too. Gusto kong intindihin yung sinasabi, why Sarah behaved that way. Pero hindi mo ba naintindihan na ang dalawang kamara ay gumagawa lamang ng trabaho nila? They are mandated, especially the House of Representatives. They are mandated to scrutinize ng mga pera natin. Why Sarah behaved that way? Politically motivated? So kung ganyan ang tingin niya na pinupolitika siya, 'di ba? Pinupolitika siya ng mga kalaban niya at may marami siyang kinukuda na kung ano-ano man ng kanyang mga naratibo. Bakit siya hindi nagkakaso? 'Di ba? Bakit siya dumadaan sa point na hindi siya i-explain kung nasaan at paano niya ginawa? Anong ginawa niya sa budget niya? 'Di ba? Masisisi mo ba ang taga-House of Representative na gawin ang kanilang mga trabaho bilang representante ng kanilang mga distrito, representante ng mamamayan? So, ano ba ang kailangang intindihin why Sarah behaved that way? Na magbabarte nila siya? Na siya ang masusunod sa House of Representative? Na insultuhin niya si Castro? Na bakit ang isang konbiktado di umano ay nakaupo pa dyan? Hindi ba siya naiintindihan? Abogado naman siya. What is all about parliamentary immunity? That a congresswoman or a congressman or a House of Representative member is immune, has this parliamentary immunity. And hindi ba siya nakakaintindi? Oo, di naman dinay eh. Because I am not, hindi ko kinakampihan si Castro et al. Di ba? Kung talagang nagkasala sila and they're convicted, okay. But they also have this right to post bail. Ang lahat ng inakusahan dun sa RA 7610 na child abuse case, na other abuses under section 10 ng RA 7610 ay available. That's why Castro is nandyan nakaupo bilang member ng committee. And this Sara Duterte is questioning, insulting Franz Castro, why she is there even if she's convicted. At that she is. Indeed. Diba? Sara is a lawyer and supposed to understand what is all about posting bail, what is all about parliamentary immunity. Huh? And that she behaved like that because Castro called her pusit. And if so, na meron siyang question pagdating kay Romualdez at meron siyang hawak na ebidensya ng insertion of funds, bakit hindi siya mag-initiate ng kaso? If then so, that all the evidences, all the pieces of evidences she is nasa kamay niya, ay bakit hindi siya gumawa ng legal na pamaraan? Hindi yung manakot siya doon, gamitin niya yung mga tao niya. And that she is hiding from the accountability kung saan niya ginastos ang confidential fund. Now, sasabihin nyo na naman, confidential nga eh. Hindi dapat isinisiwalat sa publiko. You know what is all about unveiling of confidentiality? When is the time that the confidential fund that is intended purposely para dun sa mga intelligence work ng isang ahensya. When in fact, dapat wala nang ganyan ang Department of Education. Dapat wala nang ganyan ang OVP. Bakit? Meron naman tayong enforcers They can coordinate anytime with the Armed Forces of the Philippines. They can coordinate anytime with the PNP. Bakit may sarili siyang mundo? Ha? Bakit ganon? Para makalusot? At gagamitan ng 35 million for supplies in just 11 days? Anong klaseng supplies yan? Anong pinagbibili ng supplies? Stapler? Bond paper? Paste? Ruler? Supplies yan Kasi may iba na naman ng food. May nakalatag na naman na food. Gusto mong makita kung saan ginastos ang 125? And why this House of Representatives keep on questioning her? Dahil may disallowed 73 million disallowed amount? Yun bang gusto mong i-justify why Sara Duterte behaved that way? And then sabihin mong bias ako? Because I am questioning where that 125 million goes. Pakita ko sa'yo. So ito, saan napunta to? For 11 days? Medical food expenses, 40 million. Ang supplies, 35 million. For 11 days, anong klaseng supply yan? Hindi man siguro sabihing supplies yan ng tuyo, suka, mantika. No. Kasi may medical and food expenses Payment of reward. Oh, nag-reward pala. Pero nag-reward pala? Diba? May reward. Pero bakit wala pang nakuhuli? Kalaki-laki ng kanyang confidential fund. Both in OVP and in DepEd. And you want to you are telling me to understand why Sara behaved that way? Kung sumagot na nga lamang naman siya Tapos ang usapan. Walang Sulyeka. Sulyeka na na Lopez, Attorney Lopez, na magdadadrama. Diba? Walang Fajarda na magdadadrama. Diba? Behave that way? Iintindihin ko ba kung sino si Piatos, kung sino si Nova, kung sino si Uwishi? Ba't di nyo sinali ang Lays, ang Pringles at ang Kirei? Yan ba ang gusto mo, Marge? Nahayaan si Sara Duterte that she's given 180 days, diba? Until February 2nd week to present an appeal regarding that 125 million. Appeal na lang ang inaantay sa kanya. Ang kanyang apila na ang 35 million na ginastos for supplies was done in good faith. Yan ba yung gusto mong ipaintindi sa akin? Anyway, you think I am not biased here. I am very, very fair and just. Because I am not looking for my money. I am looking for our money. The accountability and transparency of your Sara Duterte. Thank you anyway. God bless you.